Hope I wasn't zoomed in that whole time. The lights are flickering over there. Here we go, let's check the gusts here. It's 20 miles an hour.
Oh yeah.
20-mile-an-hour wind gusts.
Well, we went out there. Wow, that's like crazy.
The severe thunderstorm warning was canceled, but probably shouldn't have been. Whoa! That was close. Now I got a flood advisory. Oh man. There we go. Alright, wait a minute. I have to make that video short. I don't have a lot of battery left. I can come home from work. Now 6:01 p.m. Rain started to slow down a little bit. All in 1 hour. Highest wind speed in the last hour, 24 miles an hour. It's 18 p.m. Still got a little worse than the last time that I filmed. Apparently there might be a little more tonight. I'll show you the radar on my phone, because I don't have my computer by me right now. Possibly some hail. I don't know if we're gonna get hit by that, but yeah. Okay. 6:27 p.m. Street is totally flooded. Wait a minute. I'm gonna see how much rain we got today. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna get a wind now. That's the highest wind speed we've had all year. Yeah, change this back. Alright, I'll get back to if anything gets worse. The rain is pretty much done for now. Maybe there might be a little more later. But I'm going to show you the street. The water lowered a little bit from when I came out here a little earlier. Doing good. It's all going down the sewer. But, yeah, that's it. If it gets a little hotter, there might be a couple more pop-up storms tonight. I might get some of those on video. But, yeah, thanks for watching.